Hey guys, Jennifer here with you on, what day is today? Thursday, and wanted to share a couple great things with you today. I don't even know where to start. So the first thing I wanted to come live with you about was the very awesome flash sale they surprised us with this morning. And it is only until tomorrow midnight, so Friday night, midnight Eastern time. And if you guys haven't seen this stuff, oh, it's backwards for you, but I have this pretty little box here and I'm going to show you what's in it. So you have seen this once before already, but now I have it to show you. And Monat has made it available to you one last time as a pre-order, okay? So this is the beautiful little train case you get. Unzip that, not with my hair in it here. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, stuck. And inside this beautiful little bag, we have 4 very awesome products. So we'll start with first thing first. Conditioner. Yes, conditioner is first. So this is a pre-wash conditioner. You condition your hair before you shampoo it. So this is part of the new Restructure line. It is not available for retail purchase yet. And it is for really damaged hair that needs repair. So like me, who's coloring all the time, using heat, using bleach, maybe you have sun and chlorine damage. This restructuring line is actually mending the hair shaft from the inside outwards. So a lot of us have dry, brittle hair, and it breaks when we actually do the function of washing our hair. So with a pre-wash conditioner, you're creating a slip. You're creating a slippery surface so that when you shampoo, your hair is sliding and not crunching and breaking. So you condition first, then you shampoo, and you still shampoo twice. This is the restructuring shampoo. And you guys might notice that all the bottles are labeled now and they tell you exactly what they do. So the restructuring shampoo is for damaged, brittle, over-processed hair. And it has that fabulous Rejuvenate S in it that has the hyaluronic acid. So it's getting that extra hydration. The third thing we have is the hair transformation mask. This stuff is fabulous. So again, deep conditioning, intensive hair mask packed with plant-based keratin. So we're putting keratin back in our hair. Some of you out there get keratin hair treatments. But because Monat is vegan, all our products are cruelty-free, and there are no animal products in any of our items, any of our product line. They have found a plant-based keratin to help repair that damage, like I was talking about, from the inside out. So it's got the plant-based keratin, it's got lipids and ceramides that are helping rebuild damaged hair, okay? And the last, I should have brought down my open one to show you. Oh, there we go. No glare there. Oh, where are we? No, I have a light on, so there's a glare. Sorry. This is our dual action serum. So it's called the Inner Force Restructuring Serum. If you actually look at the tube of it, you can see 2 individual tubes inside. And inside those tubes, one is a gel, one is a lotion. And you pump it and they come out together. Remember, like that colored toothpaste, you get both colors out. One is repairing the outer shaft of your hair, the cuticle, and one is going into the cortex of the hair to help that repair job do its job. So super, super, super awesome products. And Monat has made them available to you again. So we launched them at Monations a couple of weeks ago, and they're giving you one more opportunity to pre-order. And these orders will be shipping early October. And VIPs can get all 4 of these products for just 165 Canadian dollars. So that is amazing because there is over $300 sitting here in front of me right now. So super, super exciting. I was going to try to share this video. Let me see if I can still do that. Let me know if you're online. Say hello. And always, always share the video if you know anybody that it could be useful for. Or let me know that you've watched it as a replay. So, yeah, I don't see my live video there, so I can't share it. Oh well, so those are the 4 products. Like I said, $165 in Canadian. US is a little different, always a little less. The offer is only till Friday night, midnight Eastern. You can pre-order. If you are not already a Monat VIP, you can sign up as a VIP. You can enroll with this offer. And that actually leads me into the second thing I wanted to tell you. And that is that you can see I just blow dried my hair. And it feels incredibly awesome. And I know I play with products all the time, and I have curly hair and I have straight hair, and I never know what to put in my hair. But Monat has just come out with a new Only For You product, and I just got it the other day and couldn't wait to try it. So this is the new CC cream. So for those of you who know me, CC cream is makeup, but this is not makeup. But it is complete care for your hair. So this is a leave-in hair perfector is what they're calling it. And a little dabble to you. And let me just read to you. To use as a leave-in hair protector, emulsify a small amount of cream in your hand and then apply evenly from ends to root on wet, freshly shampoo hair. Do not rinse out. Style as usual. And then if you want it as a style refresher, again, you just emulsify it in your hand and you can actually put it on your dry hair. So I tried both. I put a little bit on dry after I was done blow drying, but my hair feels amazing. Like it's back to that. I want to run my hands through my hair. I have, well, you can see because I've got the little new growth flyaways here. I have nothing else in my hair. I only used the CC cream today after I shampooed and conditioned my hair. So it is feeling very, very awesome. And yeah, it's usually a little crunchy and fly away after I blow dry it. And then I need to usually finish it with a little bit of oil or something. Not because my hair is crunchy, that came out wrong. But I do get quite frizzy when I blow dry my hair because I have coarse, kinky hair. It's just weird. But I didn't have to do anything with this stuff. So I think this might be my new favorite styling product. Like I said, I've only used it once, so time is going to tell. But the whole point of this conversation is that if you are not already a Monat VIP, this was a new Only For You product for September. We're in September still. And if you enroll with the restructuring offer, you get your Only For You product of the month. And historically, Monat gives you whatever that product is this month, but they have started letting you pick your own product. So maybe you want the air dry cream, maybe you want the clarifying shampoo. They're giving you a selection of products for you to choose from, and this new guy is one of them. So if you haven't already got your flex ship order, if this is available next month, I really suggest you grab it as a choice. And if you are signing up, enrolling as a new VIP with this restructuring offer today or tomorrow, you can add this baby and you get your 2 free samples included as well. So you get all sorts of awesome going on. So 165 Canadian for the restructuring system, regular retail price over 300. I don't know if it was 303 or 330, I forget. But wanted to tell you about both of those very awesome things. So hope you have a wonderful day. I was going to say happy weekend, but it is only Thursday. But tomorrow's a PD day, so it's kind of like the weekend for some people. Anyways, have a great one, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and share the video or send me some thumbs up if you liked what you saw today. Have a good one. Bye.